My name's James Kelleher,
Thank
J
you.
Jamaskelliher.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. First, I would start by like to thank the jury for reaching the right decision in this case. It was a very tragic case, and Lynn deserved that outcome. I would also like to thank all the law enforcement, detectives, police, local police, and all the attorneys for all their hard work and everybody that helped with this tragic case over the years. Thank you. I would also like to thank you, Judge Doro, for getting this case moving and keeping it moving. Thank you, Your Honor. One last thing we'd like to know is where's Lynn's ashes at? We would like Lynn back. Nobody seems to know where Lynn's ashes or remains are. So we've been looking for those, and we would like those back so we can give Lynn a decent burial. Your Honor, excuse me. Excuse me 1 second. I can't see without my glasses. Your Honor, Jessy cruelly murdered my friend Lynn Hernan. I would like the court to sentence Jessy to life in prison with no chance of parole ever. If Wisconsin had the death penalty, I would be asking you for that. Your Honor, Lynn was a kind, caring, giving person. She had a heart of gold. She would help anyone at any time. Lynn was a real sweetheart. She had the looks. She was a very beautiful lady. She had the grace and style. She was a real class act. She loved the outdoors, the sunshine, the beaches, going out on the lakes, the wave runners, or on the pontoon boat. She was also a great cook, and anyone that knew her loved her cooking and her baking. She was also an awesome beautician. Lynn was a lady that always had to look her best, and she always wanted her customers to look their best also. Lynn was also an animal lover. She had a few cats and dogs over the years, and we believe that Jessy also had those put to sleep. I believe Jessy is pure evil. Your Honor, Lynn did nothing wrong. She inherited money from her parents so that she had money to live on or live out the rest of her life. But Jessy had other plans. She looked up online on how to kill somebody and not get caught. I believe Jessy started poisoning Lynn in 2016 and stealing Lynn's money and her property. Jessy poisoned Lynn like she was a rodent. Lynn was not a junkie or a coward. That would be Jessy. She continued to poison Lynn until she passed away October 3rd, 2018. The pain that Lynn must have been in for years. Jessy's pure evil. The devil lives inside her. She tried to steal Lynn's identity, which could never happen for the simple fact she's too damn ugly, inside and out. She's the worst of humanity. She's a useless human being. She's a known liar. She's a thief. And now she's a convicted murderer. Jessy, when you get to your new home, I hope you are taken advantage of and treated the way you treated Lynn and passed around like a used piece of meat. Life in prison without parole is the least of your worries. To cheat a woman in women's prison is going to feel like a Holiday Inn compared to where you are headed. The devil awaits you. I hope you rot in hell. Lynn Hernan is an angel in heaven. May you rest in peace, Lynn. You're dearly missed and always will be. I'm so very sorry. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Dear Jessy, we write this letter with the hope you are in a state of reflection and introspection. We write to you under circumstances neither of us could have imagined, circumstances that have altered the course of all of our lives in profound and irreversible ways. We want to start by expressing the depth of the pain and loss we have experienced since the tragic events that unfolded. The void left by the absence of Auntie Linny, our close friend, is immense and unfathomable. Her laughter, her kindness, her presence, these are now memories we cling to amidst the darkness of grief. The pain of Lynn's absence is not solely ours to bear. It echoes through the lives of her friends and all those who were touched by her warmth and generosity throughout her life, whether it be during the holidays or on a random afternoon or evening for an appetizer and drink. We are not writing out of vengeance, but rather out of the need for understanding, closure, and perhaps even healing. I implore you to acknowledge the gravity of your actions and the irreparable harm that you have inflicted upon so many lives. Incarceration offers an opportunity for reflection, redemption, and rehabilitation. I urge you to use this opportunity to confront the demons that led you down this dark path and to emerge from this ordeal as a better, more compassionate human being. We also want to take this opportunity to share with you the humanity of Auntie Lenny. She was more than just a statistic, more than just a name in a news headline. She was a beloved friend, a cherished family member, a bright light extinguished far too soon. These are the most important things to be remembered about somebody who is deeply loved by many and taken out due to selfish greed. As you serve your sentence, I hope you reflect on the impact of your actions and find the strength to atone for them and stop your life of deceit and lies. I hope you know your charade is up and that you will never fool anyone again. In closing, we want to express sincere hope for healing for myself, my mom, my dad, Keith and Diana, Jim, and for all of Lynn's loved ones, and even for you, as I do know Lynn never knew it would be someone who became so close to her that would slay her. May we all find the courage to confront our pain, the wisdom to seek forgiveness, and the compassion to embrace the possibility of redemption, with hope for a better tomorrow, the Poses and family.
And for the record, that was Anthony Posa.